Want to know how to change your font size in Kimi AI on your phone? Well, no worries. So you can personalize your Kimi AI easily on your phone just by changing your font size as well to improve visibility. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can do it. So it's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, you can just simply open up Kimi AI on your phone. So you have to have it installed. So we have also created a video on how to install it, so make sure to watch that. So once I've done all of that, and once you're on this interface, on the top left side you should be seeing this hamburger icon right here, the 3 hamburger icon. And now once you've looked at that, here you should be seeing various options. So on the top you should be seeing profile, and you can just simply select that. And now here you should be seeing font size under theme settings. And now once you select font size, you can see you can just simply slide the slider right here: large, extra large, small, and medium, just like this right here. And once you're done, you can just simply select save right here on top. So you can also adjust width according to the system as well. And once you're done, select save and you should be good to go. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.